The DJI Air 3S and Mini 4 Pro have sparked intense debate among drone enthusiasts, primarily due to their differing weights. The Mini 4 Pro weighs just 249 g, making it perfect for casual flyers seeking simplicity. Its lightweight design allows for easy transportation, reduced fatigue, and simplified storage. Additionally, its sub-250 g weight exempts it from stringent regulations in many countries. In contrast, the Air 3S weighs 724 g, categorizing it as a more advanced drone. This increased weight brings enhanced stability, improved payload capacity, and advanced features. However, it also requires registration with the FAA in the US and certification in the UK and EU. The choice between these drones hinges on individual priorities. If portability and simplicity are key, the Mini 4 Pro is ideal. For those seeking professional-grade performance and advanced features, the Air 3S is worth considering, despite its added weight and regulatory requirements. Ultimately, understanding these differences is crucial in selecting the perfect drone for your needs. The DJI Air 3S and Mini 4 Pro differ significantly in camera capabilities. The Air 3S boasts a professional-grade dual camera system, featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 10-bit 4K video at 60 FPS, and RAW photos. This setup is ideal for high-end filmmaking, commercial photography, and advanced aerial imaging. In contrast, the Mini 4 Pro has a single camera with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, still delivering impressive 4K video at 60 FPS. While not matching the Air 3S's dual camera setup, the Mini 4 Pro is perfect for casual aerial photography, social media content creation, and personal projects. Safety is a shared priority, with both drones featuring GPS-based return-to-home systems and obstacle avoidance systems. The Air 3S excels with advanced obstacle detection, suitable for professionals navigating complex environments. Meanwhile, the Mini 4 Pro's omnidirectional obstacle avoidance is tailored for casual users flying in less demanding settings. Ultimately, the choice between these drones hinges on camera requirements and intended use. Professionals seeking top-tier image quality will appreciate the Air 3S, while casual users will find the Mini 4 Pro's capabilities more than sufficient. Flight times for the DJI Air 3S and Mini 4 Pro differ significantly. The Air 3S offers an impressive maximum flight time of 45 minutes, ideal for extended aerial photography sessions, commercial applications, and exploration. In contrast, the Mini 4 Pro provides up to 34 minutes of flight time with its standard battery and up to 46 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Pricing is another key differentiator. The Air 3S starts at $1,999 for the basic package and $2,599 for the Fly More combo, which includes additional batteries, props, and a case. The Mini 4 Pro is more budget-friendly, beginning at $759 for the RC N2 package and $959 for the RC N1 package with additional features like Active Track. The price difference reflects the drone's distinct feature sets and target audiences. Professionals seeking extended flight times and advanced features will appreciate the Air 3S. Casual users and hobbyists, however, will find the Mini 4 Pro's efficient flight time and budget-friendly price point appealing. Ultimately, choosing between these drones requires balancing performance, features, and budget. By considering individual needs and priorities, users can select the perfect drone for their aerial photography and videography endeavors. When choosing between the DJI Air 3S and Mini 4 Pro, consider your specific requirements. For professional-grade performance, the Air 3S is the ideal choice, offering advanced camera capabilities, longer flight times of up to 45 minutes, and features like RAW photos and 10-bit 4K video. In contrast, the Mini 4 Pro excels in portability and simplicity, weighing just 249 g and boasting an intuitive interface. Its budget-friendly price point, starting at $759, makes it an attractive option for casual users and hobbyists. To make an informed decision, consider your budget constraints, intended use, and prioritized features. Whether you value camera quality, flight time, or portability, weighing these factors ensures you select the perfect drone for your aerial photography and videography needs, balancing performance, features, and cost.